Good morning to all. Today we will see chapter 6 Factors and Multiples. So, our first topic is factors. What are factors? All those numbers that can divide the number completely are called factors of that numbers. It means factors are all those numbers which can divide the given number completely. Division means without any remainder. Remainder will there 0. So for example, write down all the factors of 10. So for finding all the factors of 10, we have to think which number can divide the 10 completely. So all the factors of 10 are 10 can be divided by 1 completely, because if we will divide 10 by 1, so what is the answer? 10. And 10 can be divided by 2 also. If we will divide 10 by 2, what is the answer? 5. 10 can be divided by 5 also. If we will divide 10 by 5, what is the answer? 2. And 10 can be divided by 10 also. If we will divide 10 by 10, what is the answer? 1. So all the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Factors means all those numbers that can divide the number completely. Now our next topic is divisible numbers or composite numbers. Those numbers that get completely divided by numbers other than 1 and itself are known as divisible numbers or composite numbers. It means here any number which can be divided by any other number except 1 and itself. They are only divisible or composite numbers. Here divisible and composite numbers have more than 2 factors. These have more than 2 factors. To write down all composite numbers between 1 to 15. To all composite numbers between 1 to 15 are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15. How they are composite numbers? Because if we will see that 4 factors of 4, we will see factors of 4. So 4 can be divided by 1 also, 2 also and 4 also. So here the factors are how many? 3 factors are there. 3 factors are there means more than 2 factors are there. Factors of 6. So 6 can be divided by 1 also, 2 also, 3 also and 6 also. So here how many factors are there? 4 factors. Factors of 8. 8 can be divided by 1 also, 2 also, 4 also and 8 also. Here also 4 factors are there. It means divisible number means those numbers that can be divided by any other number except 1 and itself. So they are known as divisible numbers. These numbers have more than 2 factors. Now our next topic is indivisible number or prime number. Those numbers whose factors are only 1 and itself are called indivisible number or prime numbers. For example, write down all the prime number between 1 to 15. So all prime number between 1 to 15 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Why they are all the prime numbers? If we will see the factors of these numbers, factors of 1 can be divided by only 1. Factor of 2. 2 can be divided by 1 and 2 only. Factors of 3. 3 means 1 and 3. Factors of 5. 5 can be divided by 1 and 5. Factors of 7. 7 can be divided by 1 and 7. So these all prime numbers. These are all prime numbers. These are all prime numbers. It means prime numbers can be divided by only 1 and itself. Prime number can be divided by only 1 and itself. Prime number have only two factors. Now our next topic is even numbers. Those numbers that are completely divided by 2 are called even numbers. Even numbers can be said also multiples of 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, etc. These all numbers can be divided by 2 completely. So these are known as even numbers. Odd numbers. Those numbers that are not completely divided by 2 are called odd numbers. Odd number example are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, etc. These numbers are not divided by 2 completely. Now our next topic is prime factors. All prime numbers that can divide the given number completely are called prime factor of that numbers. Now for finding the prime factor, see one example. Write down all prime factor of 42. So 42 we have to find the prime factor. So 42 it can be divided by, we can divide this 42 by 2. So 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. Now it cannot be divided by 2, it can be divided by 3. In the table of 3, how many times 21 is coming? 7 times. 3 7 ja 21. Now 7 can be divided by only 7. So 7 1 ja 7. Same here. Now we can write 42 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So these are all prime factors. So all prime factor of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. Now one more example. Write down all prime factor of 16. So 16 we have to divide. 16 can be divided by 2. How many times? 8 times. Then 8 can be also divided by 2. How many times? 4 times. Then 4 can also divided by 2. How many times? 2 times. And 2 can also divided by 2. How many times? 1 time. Now 16 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So all prime factor of 16 is 2. Here the same number is given, so we have to write the prime factor only one time. Now our next topic is co-prime number. Co-prime number means numbers which do not have any common factor between them other than 1 are called co-prime number. It means there are 2 or more than 2 numbers which do not have common factor except 1. Their common factor is only 1. So they are co-prime number. For example, whether 9 and 10 are co-prime number or not. The factor of 9 is 9 can be divided by 1, 3 and 9. And factor of 10 is equal to 10 can be divided by number 1, 2, 5 and 10. So here only 1 is the common factor. Therefore here no common factor between 9 and 10 except 1. Therefore 9 and 10 are co-prime factor. Today I have explained 7 definitions, and 7 definitions according to that I have given 7 questions in homework. Question number first, question number second, question number 4, question number 5, 6, 7. These are your homework.